Hello everyone, my name is Owen from Unreal Tutorials, and today I will be showing you how to model a tree in the SpeedTree modeler and also how to import it into the Unreal Development Kit. So to start out, open up your SpeedTree modeler, which is inside the binaries folder and your UDK folder, then SpeedTree modeler, and then open up the SpeedTree modeler UDK application. So to start out, you're going to come up here, hit File, New, and then you're gonna, underneath your generations tab, you're gonna right click on tree, click add to selected, and come down to trunks and hit standard RT chunk, or you can also change that if you would like. I'm just gonna use all standard in cases of this tutorial, just to move along quickly. If you want to make your tree taller, just underneath the spine section over here, just edit this length number. I'll show you here. Just 50, you see it just doubled up in size, but for this tutorial I'm going to keep that 25. So I'm going to right click, hit zoom all, just to see more. Now I'm going to come up, select my, well, I don't need it, click add new material, and then I'm going to go to broadleaf bark, select that, and open it. I'm going to select my trunk, and in the sidebar over here I'm going to come down underneath the material section, and where it says branch, I'm going to hit the plus sign, and then underneath the material I'm going to click broadleaf bark, and now you see I have a nice bark material added into my tree. So next I'm going to come underneath my trunk, right click, click add to selected. I'm going to add some branches. I'm going to stick with the level 1 standard RT branches. As you see, it already has the same bark material added to it, so you don't need to worry about adding one to that. I'm going to click level 1, click add to selected, and I'm going to add some leaves. I'm just going to stick with the standard throughout this whole tutorial. You can change it if you would like. Now I'm going to come up, click add another material, and I'm going to just, for me, you can pick a different one. Still, I'm going to stick with sample leaves 1, and then I'm going to select my leaves, and I'm going to come up to the leaves section, and where it says type I'm going to hit the plus sign, and then underneath material I'm going to drop down and select sample leaves 1. Now we have our tree made. So if you would like to have collision in your tree so that you cannot run into it, if it's out of the map, this doesn't really matter, but if this is inside your map, you don't really want your guy running into it. So I'm going to come up, click tools, and generate collision primitives, and I'm just going to keep them all at default for now, and click OK. And now we have a tree, so I'm going to click file, save, and I already have a folder that I'm going to save it in, custom made folder, so you can make one if you want. I'm just going to save this as tutorial tree. You can save it as whatever, I don't know, Click save, and then you're going to want to open up your SpeedTree compiler.